to the second episode of Math Time, a series where I showcase some cool thing or two from math. Today we're going to square numbers the awesome way, at least whole numbers that end in 5. Just like in the last episode, we will not be doing this multiplication the boring way. No. There's a much better way to square numbers that end in 5. This trick is rather straightforward. Let's say you're trying to square the number 35. That means we will be multiplying 35 by itself. Here's a fun fact that we will take great advantage of in this trick. The square of any number that ends in 5 will always end in 25. So we essentially already know the last 2 digits of the answer. Now, to get the rest of the digits in our answer, the ones that are in front of the 25, we simply take the digit in front of the 5 in our original number and multiply it by the next whole number. So, take the 3 in front of the 5, 3 times the next whole number 4, makes 12, and that is what goes in front of the 25. So 35 squared is 1,225. Cool, right? Now, what about triple digit numbers, like 115? Well, the same rule applies actually. We simply take the 2 digits in front of the 5, which is now the 11, and multiply it by the next whole number, which is 12. Now, if you saw the first episode of Math Time, you would already know a really cool way of multiplying 11 by 12. I'll put a link to that video at the top here. In any case, 11 times 12 makes 132, and putting that 132 in front of the 25 means that 115 squared is 13,225. This same rule can be applied to larger numbers with more digits, but you'll just have to multiply larger numbers together, since there will be more digits in front of the 5 in those cases. But hey, still a cool trick nonetheless. And that's how you square numbers ending in 5 the smart way. I hope you guys liked this video. Please like and subscribe if you did. And wield this power responsibly. And this wraps up the second episode of Math Time. Thank you for watching. And as always, stay sharp out there.